Hi, so today I want to talk a little bit about the lungs. In Chinese medicine, the lungs are referred to as the metal element, part of the metal element. And included in that is also your sinuses, any issues you might have with your skin, any issues you might have with the colon. And all these areas are important to really work with, to get the qi moving for health and vitality. And that's why typically there's a problem for these. You'll start to notice it in the autumn when you get a cold or a flu. That's why they're most susceptible to issues at that time. So I wanted to take you through a little meditation to support the lungs using a breathing process. So you can do this seated or lying down. It's completely up to you. And just allow yourself to get comfortable. If you're seated, let your back be nice and straight. If you're lying down, just relax and let your hands rest by your side. Otherwise, you can just have their hands on your knees. And take a big breath in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Just get a sense of filling up the lungs and then releasing any tension, any toxicity. Let's do that a couple more times. Exhale through the mouth. Good. And now I'm going to invite you to imagine a beautiful ball of a white light right out in front of you, like a moon or something very harmonious and white. And you don't have to be visual, just work with the intention. And we're going to imagine that we can breathe in that white light in through the nose, and it's going to flow all the way down to your abdomen. Exhale through the mouth, letting go of any toxicity. Do a little clear out here, breathing in. That white light, it comes all the way down to the bottom of the torso, and then exhale through the mouth. Oh, and a couple more cleansing breaths here. And one more time. White light comes in all the way to the pelvic floor, and then exhale. Let it come out. And now let's start to charge ourselves up with that white light. So still see that white light. Let your tongue move to behind the upper front teeth. Close the mouth. Only breathing with the nose now. And let's breathe in and imagine you can suck in that white light like it's warm steam and let it fill your mouth. And as you exhale through the nose, imagine it flowing down all the way down to your belly, filling the colon and going out to your skin to give your skin a nice glow. Breathing in more white light into the mouth. Exhale like you're swallowing it down, like you tasted something good. It goes all the way down to your pelvis, colon, and then out to the skin. Inhale, white light into the mouth. Exhale like you're swallowing it down, all the way down to your pelvis. Exhale it out to the skin. And again, inhale. Through the nose, into the mouth, exhale. Let it flow down and then out to the skin. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. Like you're filling your mouth with a beautiful white light, swallowing it down as you exhale. It goes all the way down to the pelvis, through the colon, then all the way out to the skin, throughout the whole body. And one more time, here we go. Exhale, swallow it down and send it out to the skin, and get a sense of your skin starting to glow, feeling more vibrant. And just continue to breathe in and out through the nose. Just for a few moments here, just to let everything kind of settle, thanking your lungs for all that they do. And then bring your hands one on top of the other to the navel. And we'll do 9 little rubs here to kind of lock in that chi in one direction, and then 9 more in the opposite. Just a symbol of keeping in that good energy. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.